Resistance box are connected between strip C1 and C2. Unknown resistance S, galvanometer, and another end connected to jockey J. It is a sliding key and this is battery. Its positive terminal is connected to this point A as shown in diagram, and its negative terminal connected to one-way key, and then it is connected to point C of the breeze. First of all, introduce a resistance of 2 ohm from the resistance box as you can see in this video, and put the plug in key to pass the current in the circuit. Now slide the jockey J, it is jockey, and obtain a zero deflection in G meter. First we check the correctness of the circuit. G meter shows a deflection in right side and another end shows a deflection in left side. Now slide the jockey along the wire AB from A to B until a zero deflection is obtained in the circuit. Now the deflection is 0 and the balancing length from this end is nearly 47 centimeter. Write down this length, balancing length small l, and rest length is 100 minus l, that is 100 minus 47 centimeter. It is first set of the reading. Used is 2 ohm and balancing length is 47 in centimeter. Now introduce a resistance of 4 ohm. 2 ohm is already inserted and another key is of 2 ohm, and again slide the jockey on wire AC to obtain a zero deflection. Now deflection in G meter is 0, and now read the balancing length. You can see it is about 65.3 centimeter. That is at 4 ohm it is 65.3 ohm. At 4 ohm it is 65.2 centimeter. Next, for 6 ohm. Now introduce a resistance of 6 ohm. You can see a resistance of 6 ohm, 5 ohm and 1 ohm. It is 6 ohm as the resistance capital R. Now again slide the jockey to obtain a zero deflection. Now deflection 0, and you can see the balancing length is about 75 centimeter. That is at 6 ohm it is 75 centimeter. Now introduce a resistance of 8 ohm. You can see 5 ohm, 2 ohm and 1 ohm. Now start the circuit and again slide the jockey to obtain a zero deflection. Deflection is 0 at balancing length 81. You can see it is at 81 centimeter. At 8 ohm it is 81 centimeter, and final reading for 10 ohm. You can see it is 10 ohm introduced in this gap as capital R. And again slide the jockey to obtain zero deflection. You can see in galvanometer the reflection is 0 and balancing length is 84.5 centimeter, and it is completed. 84.5 centimeter. Thank you, sir.